Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 546 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this new brand of makeup that I found at my Dollar Tree. This is the Color Workshop, which I have never heard of before, but look at how cute this packaging is. And so this is Spring On Moisturizing Color Lipstick. And these were the only two that they had left at my Dollar Tree, and it doesn't have any shade names on them. So I wanted to just pick up both of these because I'm very curious what they look like, what colors they are. And since I found them at the Dollar Tree, they're only $1. I'm going into this without much information at all. It does say that it's not tested on animals, so let's just see how they are. These really are just super cute with the floral design on them. All right, let me start out by checking out, oh wow, the color actually really matches the shade of the packaging here. This looks like, it actually looks like it could be a concealer. So this is a very nude shade. So let me go ahead and swatch it. Ooh, that's decent pigment, but it's sheer enough that I'm like, that actually might look okay on my lips. It does feel like very cheap packaging, this part here, and I feel like that's a little bit shorter of the lipstick that I would normally get in a lipstick tube. All right, and then this one, yeah, this one's like a coral shade that matches the cover here. I mean, same thing here. It's got some pigment, but it's not full opaque color. They seem to be pretty creamy. All right, I'm gonna try both of these shades out on my lips because I'm very curious how both of these are going to look on me. I have not really tried out either of these shades on my lips before, so that's kind of exciting. So I'm gonna start out with the beige shade here. Does this have a scent? It doesn't really have a scent, but the smell of it reminds me of like an Estee Lauder old lipstick that I would smell that like my mom would have when I was little. I mean, not a bad smell. I thought this might look a little bit better on me than it actually does. The washed out lip look is a look, but it's not something that I ever wear. I don't know. What do you think about the washed out nude lip kind of style and how it looks on me? Do you think this is a color that I could wear? I don't know. But the formula, it applied easily, and it's not like I expected, not fully opaque, but it is still pretty even on the lips, and it feels creamy, hydrating, nice texture, and it has like a classic, not shiny, not matte finish, just like a cream finish. All right, now let's see how this coral shade looks. Now this one, I feel like from a distance, this one looks more of a flattering light nude shade on me. So between the two colors, I do prefer this shade on myself, but it's not my favorite lipstick I've ever worn, because when you get up close, you can see that it's just not very even or full coverage. It just kind of looks like splotchy, kind of. Like it clings to kind of the dry patches on my lips and the lines in my lips, so just not very smooth. So yeah, definitely not great formulas in my opinion, and not great colors either. But I still had a fun time trying these out. I love trying out new brands and new dollar store makeup. But if you're contemplating trying these out, I would say pass on them, because all of the other lipsticks really that I've tried at the Dollar Tree are better than these. These ones just don't have great pigment. Even though it does feel pretty comfortable and hydrating on my lips, just the look of it is not very flattering. But so I did pick up the other products that they had at my Dollar Tree from this Color Workshop brand. I picked up an eyeshadow and a lip gloss, so it'll be interesting to see when I try those out if those are any good, if they are better kind of formulas than these lipsticks I just tried out. But let me know in the comments down below if you've tried these lipsticks or anything from this brand before, and what your experience was and what you think of them. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.